If you're the kind of person who has ever grown a beard, talked about a beard, maybe even thought about a beard sometime in the last few decades, then chances are you know what beard oil is. Now, there is a lot of misinformation and especially misconception about what beard oil does in the men's grooming industry. And so today I want to answer for you guys the critical question that a lot of beardsmen ask, and that is, does beard oil actually help your beard grow in any way, shape, or form? So stick around. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Austin from Volt Life Proof Grooming, and to answer this question, we're gonna have to break it down into a few critical parts. The first part we're gonna have to talk about is the way you define the term growth. Now, beard growth may mean different things to different people. For example, some people may want their beard to grow thicker, whereas some may want their beard to grow faster. If you have ever searched any kind of beard grooming product, especially beard oil, chances are you will hit with tons of advertisements about beard growth oil or beard growth pills, or beard growth this or that, or any kind of supplement that you can use to make your beard grow. And chances are these advertisers are using tons of imagery like before and afters that show the exact same picture of maybe a patchy beard on one side and a super thick luscious beard on the other side, as if this kind of miracle substance was supposed to get you to that thick and luscious beard overnight. But there really is no truth to this, and they will make it seem like beard oil actually helps your beard grow in places that it wasn't already growing before. Beard oil will not help you grow a beard where there is no beard already growing. I'm sorry to say that if you have a patchy area in your beard, beard oil is not going to place hair there. It just doesn't work that way. And that's what a lot of these advertisers make it seem like beard growth oil does, but that's not really true. Now think about it this way, your body needs vitamins and nutrients to help your skin grow. It needs vitamins and nutrients to help your nails and your hair grow, and that is where beard oil really comes in handy, as well as doing other very important things for beard health, like keeping your beard and the skin underneath hydrated, full of nutrients, as well as soft and not crunchy and crispy like some beards can get if you wash it too much or if you do anything without replacing the kind of moisture and nutrients that your beard needs. Now here's the second part here. When you're trying to grow a thicker, healthier beard, what actually does work? Now, because your beard is largely determined by your genetics and how fast it grows and how full it grows, this becomes a medical issue. And when you ever deal with a medical issue, you can't have people that claim to do things that they don't unless they're proven in clinical trials. So far, the only substance that I've researched, and trust me, I've done a lot of research on beards in the last year or so, is minoxidil. Minoxidil has been proven so-and-so by the FDA and through clinical trials to provide slight hair growth when used over time. And the way it does this is by trying to stop the resting phase of the follicle and stimulate the growth phase of the hair follicle, increasing blood flow to the area in which you apply it. And blood obviously brings nutrients, and it essentially uses the same effect that derma rollers use when you're trying to grow hair or stimulate hair growth in that area. So all in all, what you should keep in mind is that beard growth oil doesn't really exist in the way people think it does. If you weren't already growing hair in a certain area of your beard, applying beard oil to the area is probably not going to help it grow fuller or thicker. A good beard oil, however, will provide the nutrients and the vitamins that your beard needs and your skin needs, but it won't fix patches in certain areas. That being said, if you are interested in a high quality premium beard oil that is super light, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave any kind of sticky residue or any stuff like I have personally experienced with some other beard oils out there, then Volt is a great way to go. Just keep in mind that your genetics is largely going to determine whether or not you can grow a full beard. So all in all, although beard oil is a great and fantastic thing for your beard, and you should absolutely be using it if you have a beard or some stubble or anything like that, chances are the messages that you have seen about beard oil helping people grow thick, full, luscious, Viking looking beards in a matter of days is just hogwash. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I've been able to answer a few of your questions here, as well as answer your question based on whether beard oils actually work for growing a beard. If you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you'll be notified every time we have another cool video. We've got tons of them coming out, and I will see you guys in the next video.